fickle, live with hope, no defeatism. Nightingale, live your truth, you're so great, I'm telling you. Nightingale, you shall go to your destinations and fulfill all of your expectations. For this I hope and pray each night and day for you, Nightingale, Nightingale, sweet Nightingale. Shall be free, and it's the mind which holds the key. Nightingale, you can't despair, for soon your songs shall fill the air. Situations, perhaps we need more realistic expectations. Meanwhile, I believe I need to pray